On today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can use to make up to $300 per day on Digistore24. This is a very simple strategy, but I've never talked about it, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know so that you can use it to start making money today as a complete beginner. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the product. I'll also be showing you the traffic source. I'll show you how to promote the product. So if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. As you can see, this is my Digistore24 account. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are the categories of digital products that you can promote. So if you want, you can just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can promote events and seminars, you can promote services, you can promote physical products. So it depends on what you like. So any of the products that you like, you can just promote them and you are going to be in a commission anytime you get a sale. But the good thing is that they have sort the products based on the ones that are getting many sales. So as you can see the first page, these are the products that are getting a lot of sales right now. So as I scroll, you can see many of them. So it depends on which of the product that you want to promote. So it doesn't mean that if you promote other products, you wouldn't get a sale. They are just giving you data so that it can guide you to select the product that is getting sales now so that you can make money very fast. So as you can see the products, these are the products in the first page. If you click on the second page, you are going to see many other products. Third page, there are other products there that you can equally promote. So what I'm going to be showing in this video is that I'm going to show you how to promote this product. Eisen Power. This is a male health product. So what you have to do is that you have to find the appropriate traffic source so that you can get a lot of sales when you promote it. You can see the conversion rate is very attractive. You are going to be earning 65%, and in terms of money, that is $102.98. So this is a great product that you can promote, because if you get up to 3 sales, you can be making more than $300 per day. Apart from the commission rate, these are some of the details about the product. You can see this is the commission rate. We have talked about that. The earning or cut visited simply means the total number of sales divided by the total number of clicks. So if you divide the total number of sales that you get by the number of clicks that you get, you are going to get these figures. The conversion rate is very high, that is 24%. So when you come to the cancellation rate, it's very low. You can see 3.7%. So this is one of the best products that you can promote, because if you promote it to, let's say, 100 people, 200 people, you can get up to 24% of the people buying the product. So this is a raw data about the product. It doesn't necessarily mean that if you promote it to any group of people, you are going to get a sale. You have to promote it to the right people so that you can get a lot of sales. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the traffic source that is free to use. So, and the best part is that the traffic source is coming from a tier 1 country. So that is where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money on Digistore24. If you are new to the product, what you have to do is that you have to click on the sales page so that you can look at more details about the product before you promote it. You don't have to promote a product which you don't know anything about. So just look at the sales page so that you can read some basic information about the product before you promote it to other people. So just click on the sales page right here. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. You can see the name of the product owner. You can see he talks about his own experience, as you can see it right here. So when you scroll down, you can see many other details about the product. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. One good thing about this product is that the customers have the option to buy the number of bottles that they want. So if they want 1 bottle, they can buy. If they want 6, they can buy. 3 bottles they can buy. When you scroll down, you can see each of the package has a price. So if you want to buy 1 bottle, you are going to be paying $69 each. If you want to buy 6 bottles, you are going to be paying $49 each. If the customer wants to buy 3 bottles, they are going to be paying $59 each. So it depends on the choice of the customers. Any of these packages that they will choose, if they purchase the product, you are going to be in a commission. So the most important thing is that they should purchase the product. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to start promoting it. The website that we are going to be using as our traffic source today get more than 3 million visits per every month. The best part is that 94.70% of the people who visit this website are coming from the United Kingdom. So you know United Kingdom is one of the tier 1 countries whereby you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting the product on that traffic source. So before you promote the product, you don't have to promote a direct link. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use a simple trick so that we can promote the product on the website for free without paying for anything. So now the first step is that just click on the product right here. Once you click on the product image, select save image as so that you can save the image onto your PC. Once you save the image onto your PC, come to Canva. Canva is a graphic designing website that you can use to create any design that you like. As you can see, many designs. You can see video, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories, mobile video, and many others. So you can use this platform to create any design that you want. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use it to create a design. We just want a large design, so I'm going to use YouTube thumbnails. Once you click on YouTube thumbnail template, you are going to see a page like this. So this is where you are going to create a design so that you can use it to promote the product. So you have to just come here and then click on upload so that you can upload the image of the product that you downloaded. So once you click on it, click here upload files so that you can upload the image that you downloaded. I've already downloaded the image, so I'm going to select it right here. Once you select the image, it is going to appear right here. As you can see, that has been done. So now what you have to do is that just make it large, so you can just drag it and it will be large. As you can see, we now have the image of the product. Once you have the image of the product, the next thing is that you are going to come here, select elements. Once you click on elements, you are going to search for QR code. So just type QR code. Once you search for QR code, you can see many of them. So just select one of them. So I'm just going to select this one right here. Once you select it, you are going to bring it to the left hand corner right here. So just bring it right here. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to write a call to action here. To write a call to action, just come to text. Once you click on text, select add a heading. So you have your heading here. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to type your call to action right here. So I'm going to delete the text. So just type scan the QR code below to get access now. So just something like this. Let me drag it upwards for you to see. So as you can see, this is the text. So what you are going to do is that you are going to minimize it a little bit. So let's minimize it. Okay. So we are going to bring it right here. So you can see scan the QR code below to get access now. So this has been done. Once you have your call to action, the next thing is that you are going to come back to the elements. Once you come back to the elements, you are going to search for shape. Once you search for a shape, you are going to get shapes like this. Select this one right here. Once you select it, you are going to drag it upwards and let's expand it a little bit. So just expand it. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to add a text here. So go back to text, select add a heading. Just delete the text. Once you delete it, type free shipping. So something like this, free shipping. Now what we are going to do is that just move it upwards. Just move the text onto the element. So now that has been done. So now what you have to do is that you have to change the color of the text and the element. So just come right here and then change the color of the text. We are going to make it white. That has been done. So the next thing is that we are going to change the color of the element. Just highlight it, come here and then click on the color right here. Once you click on it, we are going to select red. So as you can see, that has been done. So now we have our image, everything is done. The next thing is that we are going to make sure that any time people scan on this particular code, they are going to get access to the product. So you have to insert your affiliate link right here. So just go back to Digistore24. Once you come back to Digistore24, copy your affiliate link right here. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy, you are going to come back to your design. Just highlight the image. So once you highlight the image, just come right here. You see the link right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. So press enter so that your link can be inserted. You can see link added. So anytime people scan on this particular image, they are going to get access to the link of the product, and if they purchase it, you are going to earn a commission. So now what you have to do is that you have to just come here, click on share. Once you click on share, just come right here. You can see link sharing restricted. So here you are going to select anyone. So select here anyone. Once you select anyone, it means that anyone who scan on this particular image, they are going to get access to the product. We are not restricting anyone. It's publicly available. So now what you have to do is that click on download so that you can save the image onto your PC. So click on download right here. As you can see, the image is downloaded. It has been downloaded onto my PC. Once you download the image onto your PC, you are going to come to this website, prelabs.co.uk. So this is the website that we are going to be using today. The good aspect is that this website allows you to run ads for free. You can see you can run ads on all of these categories that you are seeing on your screen. You can see a whole lot of them. So there are many of them that you can run your ads on. So you can see many of these categories. As I scroll down, you can see many people are running their ads on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see, so when you click on more, you can see many people who are running ads on this platform. As you saw on SimilarWeb, the traffic is coming from the United Kingdom. So this is a quality traffic source that you can use to promote your products. So just come here, click on join so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you sign up for your free accounts, you can log in so that you can be running ads for free. So right here, I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to do it. As you can see, this is my account. So let me just log in for you to see. Once you log into your account, you're going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that come here, click on place advert. Once you click on place advert, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that just select place a business advert. So once you click on that, just select click here to place an advert. Once you click on that, you are going to select the category of your product. Our product is about health, so just come right here, click on all categories so that you can select the right category of the product. Once you click on that, you are going to come to health and leisure categories. So just scroll down. So as you can see many of these categories, so just scroll down and select the appropriate one. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select health and beauty. Once you select health and beauty, you are going to see a page like this. You can go into specifics. So as you can see many of them. So what you are going to do is that just select natural remedies. Once you click on that, you can see this warning. Just ignore it. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select for sale. Once you click on that, you are going to add your product image. So this is where you are going to add the image that we created on Canvas. So just click on add a photo. Once you click on add a photo, you are going to select the image that you downloaded and then click on open. You can see the image has been uploaded and you can see it right here. So anytime people scan on this code, they are going to get access to the product. So once that is done, you are going to enter the title of the product. So here you can just type the title that you want to add. You can come back to Digistore24 and just copy the name of the product. Once you copy it, go back to your ad. You are going to paste it right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to add some information about it. So just type the best male enhancement. So once you type that, you are going to add more words to it. So just come back to the product landing page. So as you can see, just copy from here, just copy it. So copy this title. Once you copy it, come back to your ad and then paste it right here. So we are going to make the rest capitals. Now that has been done, so you have your product name. The next thing is that you are going to write a description about the product. So if you don't know what to write about the product, just search on Google. As you can see, Eisen Power. So once you search for that, you can see many people are running ads about this product. You can see a lot of them. So just ignore all of them and then select the review. So just select any website that write a review about the products. Once you click on the review, you can see this post was just made on July 28, 2022. And you can see that it's ranking high on Google. So what you have to do is that you have to copy some of the information on this website. So we are going to copy something like, you can see what is Eisen Power. So just copy it to any point that you like. Once you copy it, send it back to your ad. Once you come back to your ad, paste it as your description. So as you can see, that has been done. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to write your call to action here. So just type for more information, scan the QR code, or simply email me. As you can see, for more information, scan the QR code or simply email me. So you can see that do not include your contact details as this will be added later. So this is what you are going to do. You don't have to add any further information because you can see they will include your details later. So the email that you use to sign up, they are going to display it to the potential buyers. So if they want, they can simply email you. Once they email you, you are going to send the link to the product to them so that you can purchase it for you to earn money on Digistore24. If they choose to scan the code, they are also going to get access to the link so that you can be making money on Digistore24. So once you have your details, the next thing is that you are going to scroll down, and then this is the price. So just select the United States dollars. Once you select that, when you come back to the product sales page, you can see the different prices. So you just select the lowest price. You can see $49 each. So this is the price that we are going to be using. So now what you are going to do is that come back to your ad and then type 49. Once you type 49, you are going to select right here each. So that has been done. The next thing is that you're going to post your ad onto the platform so that you can get people to purchase it. So just click on next. So as you can see, there are these characters in the text, so it is not allowed. So just scroll and then delete them. So as you can see it right here, so just delete everything. Delete this call to action because it's not even necessary. Just delete it. As you can see, that has been done. So you can see that everything has now met the requirement. So once that is done, just scroll down and then click on next so that your ad can now be placed on this platform. As you can see, thank you, your ad is currently awaiting review. So this is what you are going to do so that you can get people to purchase the product. The ad is currently on the platform, so once they review it, they are going to approve it so that your ad can start running on this platform for free without you paying for anything. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.